During lockdown, we've all been stuck inside our homes with nowhere to go and nothing to do. I felt very bored and unproductive at times, but one thing that helps me enjoy it a bit more is baking.
Hi everyone! Has anyone heard about the South Korean coffee treat that seems to have become popular overnight? Has anyone heard of Dalgona coffee?
Hello everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Suren. Today I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies and I've got my little helpers. Hi!
28 grams of sugar and peanut butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 64 grams of chocolate chips.
Add them into your mixing bowl. Start mixing.
Next, mix your ingredients together in a big bowl until smooth and thoroughly combined. Make sure your oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Next, line a baking tray with greaseproof paper and divide your mixture into roughly even balls.
It's time for the big reveal. Let's see how they turned out. Ooh, look at all the Oreos and chocolate inside.
We are aiming for a latte-style whipped iced coffee.
Now you can eat cookies instead of facing your problems. Thank you for listening.